Oh my gosh, Robert the doll? I can hardly breathe just thinking about it. It belonged to this painter, Robert Eugene Otto, way back in the early 1900s. Can you imagine? Servants, yes. Servants swore they saw it move all on its own. Change positions like it was alive, and they even heard a child's giggle coming from its empty room. And then, after the owner passed away, new families moved in. But the horror didn't end there. No. The doll is now locked away in a museum, monitored by cameras 24/7. Can you believe it? Visitors say they see its facial expression change. And security cameras, oh, they sometimes catch it moving slowly by itself. It's chilling. What if it's watching us right now? What if it wants something? I'm so scared.